Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brittle chocolate. To achieve that perfect snap, you must master the art of tempering. We'll start by gently melting your chosen chocolate, ensuring it doesn't get too hot. Then, we'll guide it through specific temperature zones to encourage the formation of stable cocoa butter crystals. This careful process is the secret to a shiny, firm, and truly brittle chocolate. Tempering is all about controlling crystal formation. First, melt your chocolate to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit for dark chocolate or 105 degrees for milk and white. Next, cool it down to around 82 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring continuously to encourage crystallization. Finally, gently reheat it to a working temperature of 88 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit for dark or 86 to 88 for milk and white. This precise temperature control ensures a stable, brittle finish. Once your chocolate is perfectly tempered, it's time to set it for that satisfying snap. Carefully pour the chocolate onto a clean, dry surface like parchment paper or into your desired molds. Let it set at a cool room temperature, ideally between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Resist the urge to put it in the refrigerator, as this can lead to dullness and a less brittle texture. Patience here is key for a beautiful, crisp result. To keep your brittle chocolate at its best, store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. If tempered correctly, it can maintain its snap and shine for several months, though it's often too delicious to last that long. For those who love to read while enjoying a treat, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your perfectly brittle creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.